Hello, and welcome back to our Frequently Asked Questions series. I'm your host, Hardscape Nate. Now, our number one asked question this time of year, as winter is fast approaching: should I or can I use de-icing salts on my concrete pavers? Now, many of us have driveways, walkways, and patios made from concrete pavers, as they're an aesthetically pleasing and durable product. Now, while de-icing salts such as rock salt, calcium chloride, and magnesium chloride are effective tools to take care of ice and packed snow, they can have a great adverse effect on our concrete pavers. By repeatedly using de-icing salts on our pavers, over time it creates several problems. Spalling and cracking, as that salt penetrates into the pores of the concrete and acts chemically with the bonds of the concrete and greatly reduces its lifespan over time. So instead of solely using de-icing salts to take care of our snowpack and ice, other methods such as shoveling off snow as soon as it accumulates so that it doesn't pack and create ice, or using abrasives such as sand that can create traction instead of using the salt. Shovel and sand, traction in the driveway, traction on the walkway up, eliminate the slip and fall. Two other options, if we're looking at this before you've installed your driveway, walkway, or back patio with pavers, is to look at a hydronic or electric heating system for underneath your concrete pavers. Heat radiates up, prevents any snow from even sticking, and you can leave your shovel in the garage. Those are great options if you haven't installed your project yet. Another proactive measure would be to seal your concrete paving stones to help minimize any of the degradation and wear from the de-icing salts on those pavers. While using de-icing salts is a convenience to removing salt and snow from your concrete pavers, their long-term use can greatly affect the lifespan of your investment.